Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video on the Beautyscape. So yeah, I know that I was not there for such a long time and definitely I have missed you guys and you guys also have missed me. So today's video is not a review video, it's basically a skincare routine video which I'm following nowadays because of this thing on my face. You can see very well, like I have developed a lot of dark spots on my face, which is due to a particular reason which I will share with you shortly. And today's video is basically a skincare routine for this because I am trying to I'm trying to reduce these dark spots as soon as possible. So that's why I am following a routine and which I will share with you in this video, today's video. And also I will share everything about my life, what's going on with me, what's going on in my life, everything I will share in this video. So if you guys want to know like what's going on in my life and what I'm up to and why I was not there for such a long time, so please watch this video till the end. And I know like I have missed you guys a lot, like I can't even explain how much I missed you guys. I'm very happy that I'm able to shoot a video today. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So I will do my facial today and I will be doing my facial after a long time. For the last 2 months I have not done anything, like any kind of facial massage. I haven't done anything. So like today I have got some time to pamper my skin. So that's why I'm here and I will do my facial and then I will share my skincare routine which I'm following, and along with that I will share all my stories that I have to share with you. So yeah, so recently I have purchased this facial kit. You can see this is the Lotus Diamond facial kit, Radiant Diamond facial kit. So till now I used to use those one-time use facial kits from Lotus and from other brands too, but this time I decided to purchase this big facial kit for myself and also for my mother because both of us love to do facial. So that's why I have purchased this facial kit. So basically this facial kit has 4 steps. You can see this is the cleansing scrub, this is the activated gel, this is the massage cream, and this is the mask. So this scrub, this cream and the mask is in a quantity of 50 grams, and this activated gel is too small guys. I didn't expect it to be such a small thing. So it is of 20 gram only. So leave it, like I expected these tubes to be will be of 100 gram, but I was wrong. So it's of only 50 grams. So yeah, so I will do my facial first. So the very first step is this cleansing scrub, as you can see. First of all, guys, I'm really sorry that I was not there for such a long time because I have my job which I have to do and I have to do it बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है यार. 9 to 7 जॉब करने के बाद फिर बैठो फिर वीडियो बनाओ. It becomes very hectic for me, at least because I get very tired. You can see from my face, you can very well understand that I have developed a lot of dark circles because of this, because of my job, because I have to do this job in front of my laptop the whole day, and after that I don't have any energy. मेरे अंदर कुछ भी एनर्जी बचा हुआ नहीं रहता है कि मैं कुछ और काम करूँ, ठीक है. और वीकेंड पे जो होता है ना, सैटरडे संडे को, आई फील दैट आई टेक रेस्ट द होल डे. आई स्लीप, आई ईट, आई pamper myself, I go take a bath and I just sleep all the day. I feel like that, honestly. So I was preparing my mind how I should do my job as well as I should carry on my hobby, which is YouTube. So I was preparing myself from inside. So that's why it took a lot of time. I know it's really a lot of time I have taken, but what to say, I needed this time guys. I needed this time very badly. So sorry, I forgot. Finally I prepared my mind and I'm able to handle the pressure of everything, and I'm finally here to carry on my hobby alongside with my work. So yeah, that was the reason basically why I was not able to upload a single video also, a short video also on YouTube, because I was not in a state, I was not at all in a state to do both these things. But don't worry, once I'm back with full force. So I think I will be able to post a video once a week, especially on Sundays, because I get time only on Saturday, Sundays. And my plan is to on Saturday I will shoot a video and on Sunday I will edit it and post it, because the rest of the week it's not at all possible for me. So I will plan accordingly, how can I manage both these things. So yeah, so as you can see, I am scrubbing my face, which is the very first step of facial. I don't like scrubbing my face, and I also don't use a physical scrub. So, but it is there in the facial kit, so कुछ नहीं कर सकते, करना ही पड़ेगा. So also like I'm doing it with very light hands so that I don't get any kind of micro tears on my face, and because my face condition is literally not good at all. So I'm trying to like heal up these things very quickly. So that's why I'm doing it with very light hands. So even if your face is good, even if your face is in a good condition, still don't scrub so harshly with a physical scrub. Always do it with a light hand. So before this, I have already cleansed my face using this cleanser which I have recently purchased, guys. This is the salicylic acid cleanser from The Minimalist, and yeah, I'm really loving this cleanser nowadays. Before doing the scrub, I have cleansed my face using this cleanser, and I have also shaved my face after a long time. I have like pat dried my face, and the next step is this activator gel. So I know this is a very less quantity. So yeah, let's take this. So while massaging this, I will share with you like what was wrong with me, like why I developed so many dark spots on my skin. So I'm really disappointed, like I don't know how to tell this because I have made a wrong decision. I think like it was my fault that I purchased this product. So as you all guys know, I have uploaded my last video like I guess 2 to 3 months back, and I have mentioned about a product in those videos. So that is the toner and the moisturizer from Muji. So I purchased those two products from Ajio. So I heard about these brands from different like YouTubers, and they were telling like these products are very good, like very good. Yeah, I also agree that these products really have very good formulations. Okay, so that's why I decided. So I checked the ingredient list, and then I decided that yeah, okay, I should give a try to these things, so because I have a dry skin and these are very good for dry skin. So let's try this and let's purchase it. So that's why I decided that I will purchase this. Two products. First one is this toner from Muji, and the second one is this moisturizer from Muji. So like after applying this product, like I applied this for the very first time 2 months back, and when I applied this product, the next day I developed a lot of like small bumps on my skin. So you can see the picture, it's popping up here on the screen. So you can see like what kind of bumps are there on my skin. So this kind of bumps I got on the very next day of applying both of these products. So I thought like maybe it's for the first time I'm using this, so that's why maybe they had a reaction on my face. So I ignored the fact, and I thought that after 4 to 5 days I will again apply this product, and then I will see like what happens. Okay, so maybe at that point I was wrong. So for 4 to 5 days I never applied this product, and then after 4 to 5 days I again applied both of these products. So the same thing, like there was no improvement. Those bumps were already there on my skin, and I applied this, and the next day I got some more bumps on my skin. So then also like I decided okay ठीक है, फिर चलो फिर रखते हैं बंद कुछ दिनों के लिए, फिर ट्राई करेंगे कुछ दिन बाद. Sorry for interrupting. So my skin is dry, so I need to apply the massage cream now. So yeah, so after almost like 2 weeks I again applied both of these products, and this time I didn't get any more bumps. So I thought maybe this time it has suited my skin, so that's why it is not reacting anymore. But I had those previous bumps which I developed before due to this. So I went on with the application, and I continued like using these products for almost 1 month. So one day, like after using these products, like one day suddenly I developed lot of like they were literally very painful. Like these bumps were literally painful, and I started developing those painful bumps on my skin. So it was really painful, like full of pus inside those bumps, and I was literally scared like what's happening to my skin, and what's the reason for this. Like I was not at all getting like why like a toner and the moisturizer will have so much traction on my skin, because I have not used any kind of new serums, because I was using the serums that I used previously, and I have not used any new actives on my skin also. Then why should I, like, my skin will react so badly with these two products. Like, this is a simple toner and this is a simple moisturizer, and it really don't have any such ingredient that can like have a bad reaction on my skin. So I was literally shocked, and I was sharing those pictures of my skin after using these products for at least 1 month. So you can see how my skin condition was at that moment. Like, I was literally scared and I was literally depressed because I never had this kind of bumps on my skin any time in my lifetime before. At that point, like, I decided like, no, I should not use these products anymore. So I stopped using these products completely because I was damn sure because of these products only I am getting so much bad bumps on my skin. So, but though I stopped using these products, my skin was deteriorating. You can see the pictures I have arranged sequentially. What was the condition of my skin from day 1 to still now. Okay, I am sharing those pictures, and you can see like how my skin deteriorated, and I was not getting like what kind of bumps were these. These are not acne, like these are not proper acne. So then I searched on internet and I came to know about fungal acne. Fungal acne is not the scientific term for this kind of bumps. So whenever you see that your skin has developed a lot of bumps in clusters, like in my case it was in clusters, so these kind of things is always known as fungal acne. So this is not the scientific term, I really don't remember. I will write the name on the screen. So this is the scientific name for like this is the real name for fungal acne. Fungal acne is just the term that we people use. We are not dermatologists, so hence we use this term for like our convenience. So yeah, this is the thing that I developed. So I researched on Google like what should be done to treat fungal acne. So there were many things like ketoconazole shampoo, etc. But I was not getting like how can I use a shampoo on my face. So yeah, I was literally confused like how should I get rid of this. Then I read somewhere that I should not apply any kind of oil in my skin because this fungal acne are developed by yeasts. Okay, so though this is not an acne, but I am using this term for your convenience. So yeah, the fungal acne are developed by yeast. Okay, so yeast love oil. So if I use oil on my skin, then it will deteriorate more and more, because at that time I was using some moisturizer which had oil in it. So I used the Cetaphil moisturizer, so which has oil in it, and I also used the Dr. Seth's C-kind ceramide serum, which also has some kind of oil in it. So I read somewhere that oil is not at all good for this kind of things. So then and there I stopped using those products because I knew that if I use these products anymore, then the condition will deteriorate more and more. And also, like, I was using the Cosrx galactomyces ferment filtrate essence, which was also not good for fungal acne. So because it is a fermented thing, so I should not use it. The yeast will grow more and more and it will be dangerous for my skin. So I stopped using those products and I just used a toner, simple toner, a serum, which is a salicylic acid for exfoliation, like twice a week. And I also use some niacinamide serum and those kind of serums, and the simple moisturizer. This routine I was following for very long time, and like gradually I noticed that these bumps were getting bigger one by one and was getting cured. It was a long process which I followed to get rid of all these things, but still now I'm struggling with these things. But still now I have bumps on my skin. Still now it's not cured completely, and still now I am struggling with all these, with the skin condition that I am having right now. So I really need, I think I need more time to cure this completely. And still if it gets cured, since I am a skin of color, I develop dark spots, like चुटकी में मेरा dark spot हो जाता है, ठीक है, face पे. So if I have any kind of inflammation on my face, I get dark spots. So I can't help this. So I have to do something so that I can get rid of this dark spot. So that routine I am following this currently, that I will share. Like what should you also do? Like if you have not only this kind of dark spots, if you have any kind of pigmentation or tan or anything on your face, what you should use so that you can get rid of those. But it takes time. You can see from my face because it's not gonna cure in just 1 week. This will take time. This will definitely take time, and you need to have that patience so that you can continue using that product and see the results like in the long run. So So that's what I'm doing currently. So now, like, why did I get such a bad reaction with this product? So I will tell that shortly. So now, as you can see, I'm massaging my face for almost 5 minutes, but I need to massage more and more my face. So I will cut this part out because I don't want to make this video very long. So I will just massage my face and then I will come back. Okay guys, so I have massaged my face and I have cleaned it also. So the last step is this facial mask. So as I already have done a facial video before, so I am not like getting into each of the steps thoroughly, and if you want to see that video, you can always see that. So I have applied the mask, and yeah, so now the reason. So I want to show you something before that. So you can see this is the bottle of Muji moisturizer. So this is the original sticker which Muji brand has on it. Okay. So you can very well see that this is tampered. So like the expiry date and all, I can't see anything like what is the proper expiry date of this product. So everything is tampered here, and they have applied an extra sticker on this bottle, and here it is written, like you can see that use it before 11/2021, but the original sticker here is tampered, and both of the product had the same issue. Like I noticed this when I got this product, I noticed this that the original sticker is tampered, and there is an extra sticker where it is written that use it before 11/2021. So I was a bit like doubtful for this, and I thought like maybe there is some reason for which they have put on this kind of stickers. But I tried to like understand also from here, like if I can understand anything, what is the proper expiry date, but I was not able to. So still I took the risk and I applied this product on my skin. So for the ingredient list, I will say like I have read the ingredient list properly, and you can also see the ingredient list on the screen. So these are all the ingredients that these products have, and you can also search it on Google or anywhere, and you can also see like there is no ingredient that can cause something like this on any skin type. Okay. So I don't know what's wrong with them. Like if I believe it, like I believe it genuinely that these products are expired. Whenever you apply expired product, you guys really well know that any expired product develops yeast in them or fungus in them. So whenever you apply these products on your skin, the yeast will go inside your skin and they will cause the reaction. So that was the case with me. Like I applied this product continuously even after knowing that something is wrong with the date of expiry. Still I applied this product because like somewhere I was thinking like maybe this is due to some other reason that they have tampered the original sticker, and I purchased this product from Ajio, and I don't know why they did this thing with me. And after like the day I got this product, the day this products got delivered into my house, after that, the moment after that, I noticed that everything on Ajio is out of stock. Everything of Muji on Ajio is out of stock. Like I was not getting like what's the reason. So maybe I don't know, like these were the old stocks that they want to sell out, so they did this thing, and I am suffering of this. So I will not at all recommend you guys to buy anything like any kind of Muji products from Ajio. I know that this is the only site from where you can get these products, but I don't recommend you guys to buy products from this website because I have suffered very badly. I don't know what about others. Now you know like what was the reason behind my skin condition, like what to say, like these products are totally a waste of money for me. This costs around 690 rupees and this was around 790 rupees. Like I wasted in total around 1.5k for these products, for this bullshit products. I'm really very much disappointed. Like I never expected this kind of things from a reputed website, and I'm really very much disappointed. So I wanted to share with you this thing, and finally I got the time. Like I don't want you guys to suffer what I have suffered. I don't want you guys to suffer the same thing. That's why I needed to share this thing today. So I did it, and yeah, that's the thing. yeah guys, so you can see I have cleaned my face, and this is my face after doing the facial. And now I will share with you the skincare routine that I am following to get rid of these dark spots, which will definitely take a lot of time, but still I am patient enough to wait for so many days and to get the result finally. So yeah, so the very first step is applying a toner, and this is this refreshing skin toner from Simply Pure, and I have purchased this from Nykaa, and it costs rupees 330 for 200 ml, so it has a decent price. So it is a very basic toner, and since I use a lot of exfoliating products, my cleanser is also exfoliating. I use BHA twice a week, so that's why I don't use an exfoliating toner. So this is a very basic toner for any skin type, for sensitive skin type, for dry skin type, for oily skin type. Anybody can use this toner, and it makes your skin calm and help your skin to soothe. So since I have been massaging my skin for such a long time, and now I need to soothe my skin, so I am applying this. You can apply this toner during the daytime, during the night time, anytime. It's very good. So once it gets absorbed properly, so now like I will apply this essence. I have already talked about this before. This is the Cosrx Charactomyces Ferment Filtrate Essence, and yeah, now I apply this product. You can see like I have only used this much because I have purchased this a long time back, but I was not using this because of my face, and now I have started using it finally. And yeah, so after toner I use this essence. Now the main thing that I will apply for my skin is this tranexamic acid from Be Minimalist. I already have a review video on this on my channel, and many of you have asked me like, will this really work? So you can see my skin condition now, and I will give the updates, and I will show you like what my skin will be after like 1 or 2 months. So then you will get to know like if it really works or not. Now I will apply this. It's a bit sticky because it's basically like feels like a oil, but it's not an oil. So I apply this during the night because it's written you need to apply this at the night, and I don't apply this during the daytime. So yeah, that's the thing that I'm using currently. Also along with this I use the niacinamide serum from Dr. Seth's. So you can pair niacinamide with any serum, like with any serum you can, because it pairs with all kind of actives. It's not only for like this kind of dark spot. This is a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin. That's why I purchased this product, because it claims that it will reduce PIH. So yeah, you can also pair niacinamide with this serum, and like after applying the serum you can use the niacinamide serum. This will definitely help you. So this is basically the skincare routine for any kind of like pigmented skin type or hyperpigmented skin type. This is basically skincare routine for those. And also if you have hyperpigmentation, you can start using vitamin C, which is a very good antioxidant, and it helps reducing dark spots. So you can use the vitamin C along with a sunscreen during the daytime, and at night you can use this serum with niacinamide and moisturizer. So during daytime also you can pair a vitamin C serum with a niacinamide serum, and then you can apply your moisturizer. So instead of this you will just apply a vitamin C serum, so that will help your skin to improve much faster. So I also use it during the daytime, and I use this serum at the night. So now I will apply this moisturizer. So this is the simple light moisturizer that I have purchased, not the rich one, because during summertime you really don't need that heavy moisturizer. And since my skin type has changed, like my skin type is no more that very dry type of skin, so that's why I have started using this light moisturizer. But during the winters I will definitely move to the rich one, but I tried to use this light one because of the consistency. I wanted to know the consistency of the moisturizer. That's why I purchased this, and it's very different. Like you have different light moisturizers in the market for oily skin, but it's really very different. The consistency, you can see like it's very watery kind of. Like once you apply it on your face, it will just mix into your face like nothing. Like it never feels anything. It's like water, and just it gets absorbed into into the skin very well. So for the oily skin it's very good, and I'm using it for I wanted to try it, that's why. So everything I use is fragrance free, that's why I'm using this moisturizer. So you can use any moisturizer that you want, and it will be good if you use this moisturizer. It's affordable, it's very good for any skin type, for oily skin type. If you have oily skin type, you can use this light moisturizer, and if you have dry skin type, you can use that Reach moisturizer. So that will help to heal your dry skin. And yeah, so this is a very simple skincare routine that I'm following nowadays, and yeah, I will give you the updates gradually, and you will get to know what's the condition of my skin. So lastly, the thing I am gonna do is massage my skin again. So this time not with my hands, because I have a tool with me that I have purchased very recently, and it's from it's a rose quartz roller from Vega. So I wanted to get my hands on it for a very long time, and I finally purchased this roller, and it looks so elegant. You guys, you can see, like, it looks so beautiful, and I just love to use this roller on my face. What I do is I keep it in the fridge before I start my skincare routine. I keep it in the fridge, and after I do everything, I just take it out of the fridge and I just start massaging my skin with this roller. And guys, you will not believe, like, this stone is so much cool. Like, if you keep it in the fridge, it becomes like a chilled ice, and I just roll it over my face, and it feels so calming after a tired day. Like, it is really very much relaxing. So that's why I bought this roller. I have recently incorporated this in my skincare routine. I don't know what it does and what it not does, but I feel good while using this. That's the main thing that matters, right? So I feel good while using this, so that's why I am continuing this. So I use it twice a day during my daytime skincare routine and during my nighttime skincare routine. And yeah, I feel really good while doing this. Yeah, that is the complete routine that I'm following nowadays. So today's video is a very good chit chat video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you get to know a lot of things from this video. I hope I'm able to share a lot of information with you guys with this video. And yeah, that's all about today's video. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you until next time. Bye bye.